How old is the machine?
I would say 20 years old.
Oh, you're just 20 years old. You're
20 years old.
A machine.
Oh, okay. How old are you?
Actually, I thought you said popcorn mashing. You're mashing the popcorn.
Smashing the phone. Oh, we got the...
It's nice. Indian music.
Yeah, so nice. Can you make movies with this camera?
Yeah.
Are you making movies? No.
Yeah, I'm making.
You making movie?
Yeah.
Oh, really? With sound?
With sounds.
Hello. We're going to make a popcorn machine.
The girls are laughing at us. Okay, Kathleen, tell us what we just did.
Jazz.
Jazz. Music. And who won?
Me and Jessica. We won. The girls win. The girls.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you wanted to finish the game.
Yeah.
Why?
Because we won.
Are you making the movies again?
Yeah, I'm making movies.
Okay.
Okay.
Same movie.
I agree.
Okay. Makeup.
That's it. So we have to go put makeup, Kathleen.
Okay. Bye. See you in the hour.
Okay, popcorn machine.
Okay. So. Okay, I launched the popcorn machine, so plug it.
Step one.
It's a bit noisy, eh? Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! It's not very long, but it can take a while, depending on the quality of the popcorn. Oh wait, after it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be interesting, but you have to wait a bit. You have a huge memory card.
Yeah, more than I need, because this camera takes only maximum 3 minutes and then it cuts off.
Okay.
Yeah. Because now the camera now can take more, but it's just the screen. Oh, the girls? Where has the girls gone? Oh, here. Okay. Oh, it's coming. Popcorn.
It's going to be faster. Oh shit, what's going on? Go.
Wow.
Yes. C'est bizarre, ça tombe pas rapidement. Et il cramait? Oh non. Correct. Very good.
Oh, amazing. Yeah.
A lot of butter.
The proper North American way.
Yeah.
Butter.
A lot of butter. You must
Maybe
smell the butter.
Maybe we should put the maple syrup.
Smell the butter. A bit of maple syrup, yeah. A bit of sake? We can mix Japanese popcorn with American popcorn?
No.
of
No
salt.
pepper.
Why not sugar?
Why not sugar? It's true.
Why not
I had a
vinegar?
bit of sugar.
Come on.
No? It's caramel popcorn.
As you wish.
Popcorn.
Yeah, but I don't like very much to be like recorded like this. I don't know. And I have some management rights.
Why?
So this is then you have to mix the popcorn like this. I mean for the right one, you know. Mix the popcorn like this.
Yeah.
The move is quite difficult to do because you have to mix like.
Like has to follow a parabola.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, I saw this on documentary about India.